Hello everyone, myself Shubham. I would like to welcome everyone in my YouTube channel, which is Braincraft 24/7. Today we are going to see one topic on human resource. What is human resource and what are the roles of HR in the organizations? So many people, have thought in their mind. Okay, so what is human resource? What is HR? What is their, roles and responsibility towards the organization, and how they can pursue this career? Okay, so many of you may be pursuing the MBA human resource or PG diploma in human resource, or some of you are having, target to, achieve this role into the private industry. Okay, so let's see what is the HR and the roles of human resource in the organization. Okay, so as I always add this tagline is people are the real asset of the any business. Okay, so those people are the real assets of the any business, which is called as human resource because they are a part of management. Okay, so let's see one by one in deep what are the responsibilities, what are the roles of the human resource, so you will have better clarity on this part. So let's start with the session. So introduction to human resource, HR stands for human resource. Okay, and the department that manage an organization workforce. Okay, so human resource means who is managing the workforce in the company, and they are totally focusing on the people management. Okay, so they ensure that like right people are hired on the time, trained and motivated and retained. Okay, so from hiring to firing, roles and responsibilities, taken care by human resource person. Okay, so HR act as a bridge between management and employee. Okay, so as a human resource we are the mediator. Suppose I am the human resource, then I am the mediator in between organization and employee. Okay, so whatever the grievance handling, whatever the queries, we need to raise to the management, and as a management they will give some suggestions, and we present management in front of employees. So basically we are the like HR are the face of the company. Okay, so without HR, organization may struggle with the structure problem, cultural problem and growth, of course. So many people think that, or nowadays companies having different perception towards human resource. They feel that they are admin, but they are not admin. They are a part of strategic activities of the organization, and they plays very crucial role in the organization. Okay, so yes, and this is the short introduction of human resource. So let's see key functions of human resource. So what are the functions of human resource? Recruitment and staffing. So recruitment and staffing means you have some open positions into the company. Company is giving, like organization is giving some openings like Java developer, technical developer, business development executive. So it depends on that particular company and business and product services. Okay, so as per this requisition, company is giving requisition to human resource department for recruitment and staffing, and they will hire right people for the right roles. Okay, so this is the crucial activity they are into it, and they are taking care of this function very well. Okay, so next is training and development. Training and development is like they are upskilling employees for the performance improvement, and they are focusing on the performance improvement, and by preparing one yearly calendar. So there is one yearly calendar they are preparing, which is training and development activities. So under this training and development activities, they are focusing on two activities. One is non-technical training, and another is technical training. So for technical training, human resource, what they are doing, they are directly doing coordination with the respective technical department, and for non-technical training they are focusing on the different human factors like soft skill training. So this soft skill training will be drafted by human resource person only. So compensation and benefit, they are taking care of the, like, you people are getting salary from whom? From human resource department only. So they are taking care of the salary, perks, incentive, rewards and any other compensation and benefits. So human resource person is liable to compensate this to every employee who are in the company. Fourth one is employee relation, managing workplace harmony and conflict resolution. So they are the part of the, as I told you, they are the part of the grievance committee, and they are maintaining the relations between employee and employer. Okay, performance management, evaluation, evaluation, feedback, and career growth. Okay, so performance management activities are there. So shortly, like some people are telling it as PMS activities, performance management system. So these activities they can do manually, or else nowadays there are so many software in human resource, like Great HR is there, Pine HR is there, and Bamboo HR is there. So there are a number of in the market right now softwares are present. But yes, they can also do this performance management through this software by setting the KPIs and KRI. KPI means key performance indicators, and KRI is key results area. Okay, so compliance. So yes, human resource people taking care of the compliance, like labor laws, workplace safety and policies, because policies should be good. They are the part of the policy implementation process, taking care of the all labor activities which is related to respective state, and related which is related to shop act, factory act, and different businesses. Okay, so these are the key functions of the human resource. Next is strategic role of HR. So what is a strategic role? Okay, so they are, as I told you, they are not just an admin. Okay, so they are a part of strategic activities. They are aligned with the people strategy, with the business goal. Every company is having different business goal, so it's human resource responsibility to set up those business goals with that particular people, key performance indicators or KRS. So as a HR, they first of all set the KRS, KPIs, with those are respective to the business goals. So what is the example? Suppose if a company wants to expand globally, then HR ensures talent acquisition, cultural training, and compliance and across the regions. So basically they are the part of the management. They are doing entire setup of the management to run the entire business. Okay, so they are the part of the strategic activities in terms of culture, in terms of talent acquisition, in terms of compliance, and blah blah blah, so many things. Okay, so HR helps in building organization, culture, and employee engagement activities. Okay, so they are also part of the employee engagement activities. So if company is hiring some employee, then it's company's responsibility to engage everyone into the employee engagement activities. They are not here in the company to just do work. Okay, so they need some benefits in terms of employee engagement activities, and it's human resource department responsibility to take care of these activities. Okay, so let's see importance of the HR in the modern organization. So why human resources important? So they are a part of talent acquisition. So they are finding good skilled employees in the competitive market. So yes, that's why human resources is very important. Retention. So keeping good employees motivated and loyal. So they are part of the retention activities. Culture values, adaptability, and leadership pipeline. So they are doing directly coordination with the C-suite people, directors of the company, and higher level management. Okay, so that's why human resource is very important into the modern organization. As so HR as a business partner, so there is a role. So as a HR business partner, so it's different responsibilities. So they are aligned with the business growth. Okay, so HR is not just about a hiring. So they are, about to business growth. Okay, so they are acting as a partner to the leadership for decision making. So yes, as I told you, they are a part of the strategy, and they are implementing the strategy, and they are directly aligning, work responsibilities with the higher level management. So they are collecting data, they are doing HR analytics. So HR analytics is different part, but yes, they should have this quality of the HR analytics. There were so many certification for the HR analytics, so that they can predict the turnover, performance, and hiring needs, and so many things. So through HR analytics they can collect the data, they can draft the data, and they find out the conclusion, they submit this conclusion to the management. Okay, so like example here I have added, like using artificial intelligence in HR for recruitment screening, employee engagement survey. Okay, so such kind of activities, roles and responsibilities they are having, and they are giving these roles and responsibilities as a input to the organization. Okay, so challenges faced by HR. So nowadays, as technologies going fast forward, they are facing problem in terms of remote work management. So nowadays so many companies are offering remote work management, so it's very challenging for human resource to take care of the entire remote people remotely. Okay, so this one is very big challenge. High attrition rate in the startups and IT sector. So many companies, you can see they have high attrition rate. So many people are leaving the company due to cultural problem, due to toxic environment, due to salary problem. So there are so many reasons, right? So employee will decide and left. So this is also one of the big challenges. If employee will left, then it's a burden, it's a pressure on human resource department to again look for the new people. Okay, skill gap due to evolving technology like artificial intelligence, cloud, automation. So there were so many new technologies are coming, and if the company is a startup and based on the new emergent technology, then it's very difficult for human resource to find those people, right? So this is also a challenge. Workplace diversity inclusion. Okay, so this is also a problem. Compliance with changing labor laws, so this is also a problem. Okay, future of human resource. So let's see what is the future. So HR can be like in nowadays, like artificial intelligence is coming. So in human resource department, recruitment can be a AI driven recruitment. Even some companies implemented AI for recruitment and interviews. So even nowadays chatbots are also taking your details of the resumes and they are doing analysis, and people analytics will be there. So this is the future of human resource. Employee experience, it's not just a customer experience, but yes, there is a chance to uplift this employee experience in terms of technology. Hybrid work model, balancing office and remote work. As I told you, like so many companies are offering this, but yes, in hybrid, in remote, what human resource can do with the technology, so that could be a discussion point. So you people can work on this part. Well-being and mental health, like HR can focus on the holistic growth. Yes, there is a chance not only technical human resource activities they can do also non-technical activities like this. Okay, so which are aligned to the cultural growth and which are aligned to the employee growth. Okay, so conclusion of this session, we can say why these roles and responsibilities of the HR is important. So HR is the backbone of the organization, and they are representing company into the market. So yes, they are the first face of the organization, I would say. Okay, so they are managing not just the employees, they are managing entire employee life cycle. So as I told you, they are a part of hiring and they are a part of firing as well. So hiring to firing is taking care of the human resource. So from hiring to retirement, as I told you, HR plays a critical role. Okay, so there are so many aspects which are related to the hiring and which is related to firing as well. Okay, so this is a kind of thing they are into employee life cycle. And a strong HR system is equal to motivated workforce and successful business will grow. So if human resource department is strong, then there is a probability, there is a chance that um, business will grow successfully into this industry. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my this session, human resource session, then you can subscribe, like, share and comment my channel, and you can follow this channel Braincraft 24/7. Thank you.